that class is why Super Mario Galaxy 2 is better than the original, and any opposing opinions are absolutely incorrect in every single way, and anyone who genuinely thinks otherwise should convert their beliefs similarly to mine to further boost my ego and making my tastes look superior and special when they really aren't, instead of me growing as a person and learning to accept other people's opinions and not treat my own as objective fact. Class dismissed. Oh, and everyone remember to practice for the school play that's coming up soon. You all have your roles assigned.
Why the fuck do I have to always pick you up?
It's your turn this week.
Incorrect. It's literally been Greg's turn for like eternity now.
Ask.
I'll drop you on the road, you little shit.
I'd rather that than stay more in the car with you.
So, how was school?
Pretty good, I guess. We have a play coming up, so that's cool.
A play? Sounds gay.
Dude, you're like the gayest person I know.
I never did plays, I just did moms 24/7.
Wowie.
What's the play about?
Among Us.
Kinda sus the fella, why would you act in a play about Among Us, Joy?
I like my role.
What's your role?
The girl that the boy ends up falling in love with, after having had a bad breakup with his gold digger ex. Lots of betrayal, love, cheating and sus behavior.
Why the fuck is that so deep? This is literally Among Us. Sounds like an 8-year-old wrote the whole thing.
The principal's nephew wrote it. He's turning 8 like next week.
Bruh. I still find it gay as hell.
Dies of cringe.
Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
You're back.
Do you have anything else to do but sit there and say we're back?
Replacing you with Tyler is seeming more and more feasible.
Didn't ask but okay.
Shut up. Someone help me do my math homework.
Well, I'm not good at math, that's a big problem.
This is why you're a failed comedian.
Jesus Christ, is it Bully Michael Day?
Yeah.
Guys, check this out. My Family Guy vor animation is getting very popular.
You literally made that shit in like 3 minutes.
That's longer than any of your stand-ups before people get bored and leave.
There a way I can celebrate Bully Michael Day?
No. I'll help you with your math, the fella.
Thanks.
Yo guys.
What?
Start calling me Detective James from now on.
Wait, why?
I'm getting closer to solving where our bread might be, and who stole it.
Bro, that's awesome. What did you find thus far?
Mainly trivial stuff. It sounds like this guy is also a fellow Ugandan man.
That's kind of obvious.
Ah, but wait, word letter M man.
It stands for Michael. ...
Consider the following. He's a fellow Ugandan man, and I distinctly remember one of our brothers suddenly disappearing as soon as we chased after the thief.
Those bastards betrayed us by not following all the way and getting tied halfway. To be honest, it could have been a joint effort to fuck with us. We have like the best bread in the state.
Uganda's more of a country.
Shut up.
Yes, Larry, I'm inclined to believe it was one of them.
Well, you followed them here, right? Go look for them.
That's kind of unreasonable considering we would have to search the whole country.
Damn, you're gonna need insane luck to find your bread back.
I could help. I have nothing better to do anyway.
Weren't you looking for your band?
Stop pressuring me. I hate you.
Die.
It's not 21, it's 19.
I could have sworn I heard it was 21 somewhere.
It's literally counting 9 from 10. How hard is it?
Yeah, and I did that. It's 21.
I'm gonna bash your fucking head in with, why the fuck is there a FNAF plushie on your bed?
It listens to my problems.
Well, someone should. So, I heard you're in a play? When is it?
It's tonight.
Wow.
Mental.
Yo Walter, what's up?
The ceiling.
Didn't laugh.
What are you fools up to?
Doing math homework. By the way, 9 plus 10 is 21, right?
That's hilarious, but no, it's not.
Told you.
Okay, it's done. Now I need to pick up some things for the play.
Okay, we'll go with you so you don't get beaten up again.
That was funny, lol.
I hate you all.
Excuse me ma'am, have you seen a Ugandan man carrying bread anywhere around?
This is like the 6th time you've asked me. Just leave me alone.
Yo Larry, I found something.
Greg.
What's up?
This absolute Chad says he vaguely remembers seeing some guy run really fast with bread in his hand. He also had dark skin, so he could be a possible candidate.
Yeah, I believe he ran past the front of my house while I was sweeping and meaning to remove out a slight seam. I didn't see his face much, but he was carrying bread.
Some pretty heavy clues you got there, bro. Also, haven't we seen you before?
Yes, I was at work courting you did a week ago. Complete nonsense is what it was. Anyway, thanks. I get information from Wikipedia.
Nerd.
Alright, cool. We'll keep this in mind. And when was this?
About a week ago.
Yeah, that kind of checks out when we came here.
Anyway, I have to go back to house of mine. I'll see you bastards around.
Alright, see ya.
So now what?
We have a basic idea of where he could be, obviously around here. He can't run for long.
Ah yes, a basic idea.
Very funny.
Oh boy, when I get my fucking hands on him I'll bash his head in, that dipshit.
I'll beat him senseless.
I'll run over him several times with my truck, chop off his dead body's limbs, cut up his intestines, make Christmas lights out of them and sell them on the black market. I just need some hedge trimmers, a butcher knife and my old pal Bob from the black market's phone number.
Well, alrighty then.
We'll look into that too, I guess.
Alright, so what is it you need?
Just a few props the teacher tasked me to pick up. Guess I'm cool like that.
That teacher must be blind out of his mind to task you with such an important job.
Oh look, there's a store called Junk and Shit. Hello fine sir.
Why are you hitting on me?
What? I'm not sir, I promise.
Look dude, I'm straighter than a traffic light.
Believe me, so am I. I did not intend this to happen.
You literally agree with James on the subject of men.
Ignore them, they're troubled.
Not very nice.
I'm looking for some lipstick and a woman's purse.
Man.
Huh?
Nothing, all I have to say is man. Anyway, we have some. If you go straight down this aisle and take a left you'll find what you're looking for.
Thanks. Okay, I got what I needed. We can go now.
Whoa whoa, we're forgetting something here.
Like what?
The money. You do know you need to pay for the stuff, right?
Ah yes, what a silly biscuit. Jonathan, hand him the money.
You moron, I didn't bring money. I thought you did.
For fuck's sake.
So, now what?
You put that shit back and leave.
Is there seriously no other way?
Not really.
Dad, when are we going? I'm bored. Can y'all be done quick? I have some dumb play to watch.
Humana woman.
Shut up, dumb little girl. We're doing our own thing here.
Don't listen to them. We'll be done in a bit. It's just we have no money at the moment.
Why are you dumb?
I'm gonna turn you into a man if you don't shut up.
What?
Dude, you're good with the threats. Don't leave them to me.
Daddy, can't you just let them go?
I'm sorry, sweetie, they have to pay or else I'm gonna have to call the police. it's just business.
But I'm bored and I wanna go.
Baby, we'll go in a bit, just wait.
No, I wanna go now.
Dude, is child abuse legal here? Cause it should be.
You all go, it's only a few items anyway.
Thanks, Daddy smiley face.
Hey wait Tom, before I go, I couldn't help but notice your impeccable beauty before. Mind if we exchange numbers?
You know, you have like no money.
Dude, that's my daughter.
Insane.
Well, I tried.
And sucked ass.
So like earlier I looked up if dolphins had pubes, right? Turns out they do, they just keep it closed by fleshy flaps to protect it and their entire penis too.
Cool fact.
Yeah.
We back.
Yo, so are we.
Insane. It's like we're the same person, aha JK.
Hot.
Shut up, I need to get ready.
I sincerely hope I don't have to help you there.
Fuck you. Man, she sure was pretty. Too bad I'm an idiot baby who can't talk to women. Hello?
Yeah, hello, this the, fella gaming official?
Yes, who's this?
Godric. Principal Godric, more professional.
Oh, Mr. Principal, hi, what are you calling for?
In regards to the play this evening, there's been some changes of plan.
How so?
Half of the fucking people who needed to be in it can't make it, essentially.
That's terrible. What are we going to do?
Well, fortunately, we were able to get a few replacements, but we're missing 2 integral roles.
Those are?
The lead boy role and the Gold Digger X role.
So, literally the only characters that matter besides me. Great.
Yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Anyway, look, I need you to find me 2 replacements ASAP. Doesn't matter who, as long as they have some sort of experience in front of an audience.
Okay, I'll try. I mean, no promises like I barely know any. And he's gone. I'm ready.
Why the fuck are you all looking at me? It's been Greg's turn for weeks.
Don't know how to drive.
Yet you own a truck.
I'm a big truck fan.
Why are you ready so soon? Your play's in like an hour.
We need 2 more people in the play. One that plays the lead boy role and one that plays the Gold Digger X role.
Ask.
Is anyone down to do it? I literally only have y'all as friends and this job was assigned to me by the principal. So no, I can't just say fuck this and not do it.
Do I get to say some of my jokes?
They're pretty desperate, so if that's the only condition you'll do it for, they'll probably let you.
Good, then I'll do it.
Thank fucking God. Okay, now I need one more. Anyone at all?
Jesus fucking Christ, is it look at Harold Day?
You're like the gayest person I know, lol.
You've lived here like a week, fuck you. I'll only do it for monetary gain.
I don't know about that. We'll talk about that later.
I'm alright.
I think we all know whose role is whose.
I hate you all.
Alright, we have 30 minutes before the play. Everyone remember their roles? Everyone ready? Oh, the fella. You made it. Now, who'd you bring?
My 2 friends, Michael and Harold.
It's an honor, sir.
Shut up, weirdo. I ain't the president.
Don't pay attention to him. Now we do get paid for this, right?
What? This is a school, not a movie set. You ain't paid actors.
We shouldn't even be here technically, so we should at least be paid.
Alright, look. If it'll make you shut up, I'll pay you, right?
Let's fucking go.
On one condition. Just don't suck.
That's gonna be hard, especially from him.
Shut up.
Alright, so, you, Michael, are the lead boy character, and you, Harold, are the annoying ex. I can see that.
Yes, those were the roles we assigned them.
Haha, that means Michael gonna fall in love with the fella. Now that's funny.
Shut up.
Ladies and and gentlemen, Dumb Baby High presents...
Hi, I'm a hot girl.
I'm in love with you.
This is bad, I am going to kill Saya.
No, don't kill me.
I don't care, I'm gold digger anyway.
Guys, do your tasks.
Shut up, Brown, you don't know what it's like.
This is where scene 1 ends. What do you want, hot girl?
I want 1,000 pasta, 1,300 burgers and 400 PlayStation 5.
Okay, my little sugar muffin.
That's so gay, lol. That'll be $54,730,960.
Bro for shizzle? I don't have that kinda money, dog.
You Rose, I'm leaving you now as I am shallow woman.
Cry sound effects. Man, what do I do, Orange?
You have to become Angel and cook eggs.
Why?
I don't know, it's in the script for some reason. So I'm assuming you have to do it.
Okay, I think I understand now. I will do it. Hey hot girl.
Hi, poor loser.
You're both cringe.
You can't say that, it's banned in the Megamind too.
That's a good joke, Cyan.
I am the waiter from 2 scenes ago.
How?
I am going to kill hot girl as she is very bad. Die hot female.
Oh no, whatever shall I do? Oh well, she's dead now, darn.
Dies.
That was hell.
So how did we do?
Oh my god, that was amazing. The whole crowd is going wild.
Thanks, we did it very willing.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Our money, please.
Ah yes, of course. How could I forget? This is your money, kind sir.
Not that much, but thanks anyway, I guess.
Ungrateful bastard.
At least I'm funny.
Shut up, I didn't even get to tell any jokes.
Exactly.